just want to ask one more time.
Sure.
For me, actually, one more thing I need to call. If it's my Visual Studio, if I want to call one more thing, like after this login, there is a search box. So after the search box, actually, I need to call patient ID like this. Like this is after this one. I need to call patient ID. Oops. ID. Then here is the name patient ID. I need to fill here patient ID. So can I give here patient ID is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 like that? It's
Absolutely.
possible?
Absolutely.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Anything you can give, whatever standard values, right? And across the
Yeah.
project if you want to use, so you can give there. But it should not be like a fixed values, like a constant values you can give there. For example, if you want to
Yeah, got
change the
it.
value, it's not good to use there from there,
Yeah, got it.
right? Okay. Now,
Yeah.
today, now one more thing is what we are going to discuss is with the drop down with the select tag. For example, if I take this is the website, that day we were not able to find the proper website. So today I'm just trying to show you this is the
You
web.
can share your screen.
Oh, I'm not sharing. Sorry. Let me share.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the website. I'm just entering. You're able to see, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the website.
Yeah.
Testautomationpractice.blogspot.com. Okay. In this, if you
Yeah.
see, there is a country is this is the normal drop down.
Yeah.
This kind of drop downs,
Yeah.
we have to use the select,
Yeah.
whatever we
Yeah.
discussed that day, right? Select option.
Yeah.
So this is the one of the drop down. In this, if you see,
Yeah.
this is the select drop down. There is a options. Are there many options? What are all options? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 options are there. These are all the countries are there. For this, how is the
Yeah.
down? Let's see the how is the down, right? Let's see how is
Yeah.
the down. So for this, there could be a tag called select. There could be a tag called select. If you see, there is a tag called select. Under div,
Yeah.
under div, this is a select tag is there. So this is called the
Yeah.
proper select drop down. If you click on this,
Yeah.
there is a options are there. All those are options. These are called the options. So under this,
Yeah.
how many options are there? All these 10 options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 options. Okay. So
Yeah.
what we need to
Yeah.
do on this, first of all, we need to identify the select object and we need to select any one of the country into that. We need to select any one of the country, right? That is our task.
Yeah.
That is the first task.
Yeah.
We need to select.
Yeah.
To select the
Yeah.
country, there is a three ways we can do. Okay. With that day I
Yeah.
told you with label, with the
Yeah.
visible text and with the index. Three ways we can do.
Yeah.
Now we are going to do the prompt.
Yeah.
How we can do that. That is the first thing.
Yeah.
Second thing is
Yeah.
we will try to find out how many options in this. Sometimes we need to say, have a test case that, okay, there should be 10 options. There could be 10 countries. There could be 20 countries. There could be 19 countries only. So that count also
Yeah.
to fetch it. We have to fetch the count.
Yeah.
Whether that correct count is there or not, we have to
Yeah.
test it, right? That also we can try.
Yeah.
That is the valid.
Okay.
And the third thing is, out of this, there could be some 100 countries are there. But you want to check your required country is there or not. For example, you want to check the Kenya is there or not, right? That also you
Okay.
can do that. And that also multiple ways we can do that. Okay. Those are all things today we are going to see. Those
Yeah.
are things today we are going to see. Okay. First is visible text. First we can go with the visible text and then next value and then with the index. Okay. Now let me go to here. Let me go to here. This is the test automation practice.blogspot.com. In this, first what you have to do, sorry, I'll go back. This one, I will just kept it. If required, we can do. First, you need to identify the object of that element, right? Which is element, this is the element.
Mhm.
For this, you can use, there is a ID is there, right? There is a ID if you see. If there is a ID,
Yeah.
directly you can use the CSS, right? Directly you can use the CSS.
Yeah.
So for that, await page dot locator of, okay, and hash.
Mhm.
What is the ID is there? The ID is country. The ID is country.
Yeah. Country.
The ID is country is there. So it means this is the ID means hash. Hash means ID. You remember, right? In
Yeah.
CSS. So hash country
Yeah.
means the locator you go and identify wherever the element is having ID is country. Okay, this is the locator. And
Yeah.
then what is the command? Select option. Right? That day also we have
Yeah.
select option of what do you want to select? You want to select something like India, for example, right? You want to select
Yes.
India. So like
Yeah.
this, this is the visible text. You can select.
Yeah.
This is the one way you can select. Okay. And then
Yeah.
we'll do here some wait to see that what is happening there. First, we will run this. First, we will run this, right? First, we will run this and we'll
Yeah.
see. It is- No, it is running, sorry. Hmm. Have you seen? I haven't seen actually.
Yeah. It's too fast.
It's very fast. Okay, we are
We can close the, can we hide it close? Then it will be stop there. And it's easy. Select, then stop.
no close, but I'm just waiting there. You can see, no? Wait,
Yeah.
it's running again. Actually, I ran two
I
times.
think we can,
No, 1 second.
can we hide that one? Can we hide that thing, close button?
It's okay, 1 second. It is, I ran two, three times, right? That is why this is not yet stopped, okay? Let me stop this.
Yeah.
Please just stop. Just keep on running. Three times if you run, it is running three times. It is going to like, now, okay. If you see, it is the country. Yeah, country
Yeah. India.
is selected
Selected India.
and it is waited for 10 seconds and now it is closed. Got it?
Yeah.
So this is the one way.
Yes.
This is the one way. It is
Yeah.
actually label or visible text. It is called the visible text. This is the visible text, we can say.
Yeah.
Visible text. Okay, now, second thing what we are going to do is with the label. Okay, visible text and label with label. So for that, await await page dot locator of same locator you can take. Page dot locator hash country, right? That is a country. COUNTRY country dot select option of label. It's already coming here. Now you can
Yeah.
so label. So label means what is the label? It is India. If you go and see the application,
India.
you can see the
Yeah.
application. So if you see here, these are called the labels also or values also.
Yeah.
You see multiple ways we can say that. So it is label.
Yeah.
So for this, the syntax is label, colon, and India. You have to write like that.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
This is the one
Yeah.
way.
Got it.
Now, if I run this also, it will work. If I run this also, it will work. Yeah, now I'm running. See, country India, it is selected
Yeah.
and it is closing. It will close.
Yeah.
It is waiting and it is closing. Okay. Now that is done.
Yeah.
This is with the label, right? And then
Yeah.
using the visible text, we are already tried. This is the visible text and this is the label.
Yeah.
And the next one is what I told with the value. Okay. With the value.
Yeah.
That is what it is coming here. If you see, we can say by using value. What is coming here? By using value. So you instead of label, you can mention value. Instead of label, you can mention value. And here I will select the different country. Okay. Why should I mention all the
Yeah.
times? I can mention like a Japan. I can mention like a Japan.
Yeah.
Japan. I selected the Japan. So let's see whether it is working or not. We'll see. Let's see whether it is working or not. This time taking long time. Come on. Hmm. This time it is selected. What it is selecting? It is not selected yet. It should select the Japan. Japan is not there.
It's selected United States.
Huh?
Maybe Japan's not there. Try we can try same India.
No, Japan is there.
It's,
What is not selecting? What?
maybe that's not value, it's a label only.
Hmm. We can try these three options. Whatever working, we can do. Like that, we can go ahead.
Yeah.
Timeout is
Yeah, I
30.
got it actually. Yeah. I
And
see that.
also with the index, we will try with the index also now. So you need to know all options. Then only whatever possible, whatever required, we can do by using index. By
Yeah.
using index. So now country of here index, this is the syntax. Same locator
Mm-mm.
and select option and index of 3 or 4 or 10 or whatever it is. 9 I am giving, for example. I can give 9.
Yeah.
So now I will run
Yeah.
it. Now I'm running. See, it is selected. It's already selected. It's already selected 9 and it is got.
Yeah.
Right? This way also
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
can do that. Okay. And one
Got it.
way, if you remember that day we have seen for the fill and all, await page dot without having a locator. If you remember, without having a locator. Where is that?
Yeah.
Sorry, 1 second. Why it is came like that? Await page dot select option. Page dot select option. Like this also you can do.
Yeah.
Tree of we can give directly here. See here instead of using the locator directly, why it is going? See, this is the problem. Hmm. So here this is the label is not working. So what I will do, I will give the directly India, the visible text.
Yeah.
So it means what is the difference? Did you observe here? Here we are
We're
not
giving randomly
page
table
dot
name.
Yeah, page dot locator we are not given. The locator also we are giving in the select option only. The select
Exception.
option only.
Yeah.
The select option we are giving locator and comma, whatever the visible
Yeah.
text. So all these three options we can give there, whatever it is working. Even if you want index also you can,
Yeah.
okay, or value also you can give. This way also we can test.
Yeah.
Okay, let me run this. Okay, it is open. Yes, it's open and it is selected. It is selected India. Got it?
Yeah.
Selected India and it is just waiting. And then it will close.
Yeah.
So this is the one way. So what we
Yeah.
can make this is like without using locator, right?
Yeah.
Without using locator method. Directly you can do this. This is
Yeah.
okay. Now what we did as of now, we tried only the identifying and selecting the value. So once it is selected, you need to do the assertion also. You need to do the assertion.
Yeah. Yeah.
You need to do the assertions. How many types of assertions we can do? We will number of options in a drop down. First of all, first one is number of options in a drop down. Number of options in a drop down. So we saw that, right? There is
Mhm.
the options of different countries. How many are there? So sometimes we need to
Yeah.
check that. So for that, what we need to do is page dot locator like this. I will just take this.
We just want to check. I don't want to select. If I want to check, drop down has this many values. How can I check?
Can you come again?
No, if there's no I selected in there, isn't it? I just want to check actually. Go to the country and check. Is it included? Japan, India, everything. It's in the drop down box together. How can you check everything together?
Yeah, I'm
Like
going.
whatever is guys.
Yeah, that is what I'm going to explain you. That's what I'm going to
Yeah.
explain. Okay. So now if you see here, this is the constant of options is equal to page dot locator. So this is the locator.
Yeah.
First, actually, the locator
Yeah.
is only country. You have to give the country, right? This is the locator. If you,
Yeah.
but now what I'm giving
Yeah.
country option also I'm giving after that. After that option also
Yeah.
I'm giving. It means how many options are there we are asking. So locator will give the
Yeah.
syntax. You give the space and option. And then you can
Yeah.
see, actually console.log what is coming. Console.log number of options in a drop down, right?
Yeah.
Okay, options.count. This is the options.count it will give. So in this, how many? Five are there, 10 are there. So everything we can see there. Okay.
Yeah.
Why these are all coming? I'm not using, I don't want. Okay, okay. Now at this moment, I need only the, at this moment, I need only the number of items count, right? So let me run it.
Yeah.
And this one, if I want to like two ways. So directly we can have with using the assert. How can you do the assert in the playwright? You remember? How can you do the assert in the playwright?
No.
Except, you remember? Ex
Uh,
P
check. Except, yeah.
expect.
Except, you're
Expect.
expecting these many values. It should be there.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that is the method also we can use here.
Mm.
Okay. Now this is the one where you are getting total number of options and options dot count. You will get the total count. And here except
Yeah.
expect of options, these options are to have 10. To have 10.
Yeah.
You mention this. Or else you can give the options dot count also you can give here. Anything is fine. Okay. So
Yeah.
everything is fine. So I'm
Yeah.
just running this test now. This is to find how many options are there, whether expected options are there or not.
Yeah.
Expected number of options. Actually, this one we supposed to count. We no need to select actually. We no need to select this. Okay, now it is done. See, number of options in drop down is 10. You got it.
Yeah.
Number of option in drop down is 10. So that is what number of
10.
options drop down is 10. You got it. And this is also passed.
Yeah.
This is also passed.
Yeah. To have count.
For example,
Yeah. To have count.
if I give here 11, what will happen? If I give here,
Fail.
it will fail because the number of options dot count is 11. So that is why it will fail.
Yeah.
So this is the number of
Yeah.
options in a drop down. And number of options in a drop down in a second approach. We can go with the another approach also. Now approach 2. See how many ways we can do. How many ways we can do is this is another approach. This is another approach. For example, if you see here, page dot dollar, whatever you given here, country option, right? Country option. For example, if you are given country option here it is giving the it is giving the response of the options, but it is not a list or it is not an array,
Yeah.
not an array. But
Yeah.
whereas if you are giving here, options is equal to page dot dollar dot, whether it is working or not, let's see. This is 10.
Yeah.
Yes, this is the 10 or 11. This is 10, right? This is 10. Here,
Actually, I missed that point. How did he give our ID is only country? Yeah. Then how did he give that option value also for the locator?
what is that? Option value also?
You gave the page dot locator a hash country option. Our ID is only country, isn't it? How did he give that option?
See, option is, for example, if you go to that application, if you go to this application and if you see here, under the select, what is there? Under the select, what is there? There is option, right? This is option.
Oh,
See,
that options. Got
this
it.
is option. So it will give the total number of options. Total number of
Got it. Got it.
that option we are giving.
Because I thought the ID only our country is only added. Then how come suddenly options came? Okay, got it. That option. Got it.
Okay. So now I'm just going to comment this. I'm just going to comment the first option. Now, if you see, these are the options. And options, we will
Mm.
get total options and options dot length. Here options dot count we found. So here options dot
Yeah.
length we see, and this will be total number options dot length dot
Yeah.
count. So like this also you can try.
Yeah. Yeah.
There is an error. I think this option is not working nowadays. So page dot select drop down. What is the error? Description
Got
error.
it. One is work. Yeah. That I got it. A session I got it.
Yeah, assertion you got it right. Yeah, this is another way
Yeah.
we are trying to do,
Now
but
I want to see check how we can check drop down expectation.
okay. Okay. So whatever the value you want to check, right? Presence
Yeah.
of the value. To check the presence of the
Yeah.
value. Okay. Okay. We'll do this.
Yeah.
This is the one. For example, if there is some India, whatever it is, right? So
Yeah.
that
I just want to see how we are seeing through like I when you click here, I can see India, Japan, how I can see together. How can I can check these things? It's there. Those options is there or not?
yeah, for example, see 1 second. See here page dot locator of country dot text context. This is the text context. Okay. So
Yeah.
what it will do,
Yeah.
it will fetch the that option value, text context. Using the text context,
Yeah.
what will happen? That content will, that a country name will come and store into this content. Okay.
Yeah.
And what we are doing,
Yeah.
content dot includes of, so all countries will come there into the content. All countries will come to content. Now we are checking in
Yeah.
that content whether whatever we are required, whatever we want to check,
Yeah.
India, for example, is it there or not, we are checking. And that is why expect content dot includes of India to be truthy. To be truthy means it is true or false. If it is India is there, it will
Yeah.
be true. If it is not there, it will be false on test case will fail. So like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now let me
Got
run.
it. But to be visible,
No, 1 second. This method is not there.
maybe to be visible.
No, no, 1 second. Yeah, we'll see. To be truthy. Dot. Where is that? To be truthy is there. Did I copy it wrongly? I don't know.
No, that's correct.
Spelling could be wrong. Okay. Spelling could be wrong. See what it is saying. Constant content is called page dot locator country dot text content and to be truthy. Right? Why this is coming like this? No. Why should I comment this?
Can go up, maybe something higher because of the.
Let's try. Actually, this method is there or not? We'll see.
I thought to be visible here already.
Visible is just you see the some any text if there is a visible. If there is a text. So to be truth, for example, we can go and check in our visa, na, what are all methods we have in this. For example, in this, mm, to be visible somewhere, to be checked, what are all things we have seen. But we added all valid. What is that? Check. This is. Hmm. Yeah, but then- yeah.
Okay.
Locator is visible, is enabled, all these things are there. But that method, let's see. If it is, let me run once again. Sometimes they are
Yeah.
removing it. Where is that? Where is that? Otherwise, we can go to the documentation and see. Sometimes it is changing.
Yeah.
Where is the documentation? Playwright documentation. Playwright with JavaScript documentation. Yes. Assertions. These are the assertions. See, to be hidden, to be visible, to contain text. To have URL. I think that is not there nowadays. That is to be truth is there. If you see, to be truth is there.
Mm.
So the same thing we are
Ex-
also using now. That where is that? Where is that? Why it is not working then? We'll see 1 second. So type error content dot include is not a function. Okay, content dot includes. This is the problem. So content dot. We'll see 1 second. This method is there. The problem is content dot includes. Yes, yes, includes of India dot console. Right, right, okay. For example, if it is there, it will be like that. Let's see. It is running. So you remember this ternary operator? Do you remember ternary operator?
Yeah.
Use India console.log India is present in drop down. If it is not there, it will not present.
Yeah.
So like that. So, but here, what is the
Yeah.
error? Still, yeah, console.log error is The error is type content dot includes is not a function. Okay, we will ask. We will
Can you
ask.
check with, yeah, yeah, Copilot?
Yeah. What is wrong in this line of code?
We need to give half only or we need to give God.
Actually, in meantime, what I will do, we will read this actually console.log, 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 and content drop down, await content. So this one we will try. What is coming into the content we will see. What is coming in the content we will see. It is coming in the content. So always we have to see like this in this constant, anything is coming. What is the data type? So for example, if you see here, what it is saying, I am looking at the surroundings code because the line likely be incorrectly with sync. Okay, constant page dot locate.
I think next slide, content locator can lead to
See,
content.
it is giving all the countries.
Content.
If you see, await
Content.
content means it is giving all the countries. It is giving all the countries. So the problem here is await content. So what we written here is, yeah, this is await we have to give, I think. Await.
Not before expect.
Await content only. Await content dot this. No, not
Okay.
before expect. If you remember, before expect, we won't give await. If you see earlier method
Okay.
also, see here also, I
Wait.
think, yeah, await page
Yeah.
locator, await content. What it is saying, let's see. So page dot locator dot text context. This is correct. And the text
Okay.
context written a promise, not a okay, not a plain string. So constant is equal await page dot locator dot text content. Okay, here also we are not used await. This is also wrong,
Yeah.
right? This is also wrong. Await, we have to use await and has India to includes of India. Okay, this is the main wrong actually. That is why this failed, but
Mm.
now it should work. Console dot log content of, okay, this is the await content. Because we are not given await here, it is taken here. And await content this. Okay, now it should work. Now it should work. This is the problem with the await only. Because always this page dot locator will give the promise. If you are giving await only,
Yeah.
it will work. That's the problem. To be truthy not worked. To be truthy not worked. This is console.log content await is worked. Expected. Okay, received dot to be expected. Expect or received dot to be. Is this? Expect content dot includes expect content. What is this? Where is it? This is methods are changing. Expect content dot includes. Expect await content dot includes of India. India is what is the India here? Capital I or small I? I forgot that. This is the India.
Capital I, all other small thing.
It is a capital I. That is one thing.
Yeah.
It's a capital I. And to be truthy, I think we can remove this. But here content dot includes. Oh, it is default coming await only. Await include, but why it is not working then? Await content dot includes. Yeah. Okay, let's run one more time. That capital letter, small letter may be issue. Yes, paused. So here the problem is small letter I given I. That is why it was failed. It is a capital letter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And this is the content of drop down is await content. This content means always it is giving all the list also here. From that you are checking in this content your includes of here. This is one method to check that whether required country is there or not. Okay. If it is
Yeah.
to be truthy, we give it. So it should true.
Yeah.
If it is true, right? You
Yeah.
you can have the see if you go on here, where is that methods? Yeah, here if you see to be truthy, this is the one thing,
Yeah.
and there is a many things actually. To be visible, to be contain clause, to be truthy, false also there, I guess. To be okay, yeah, to be falsy. If you see, value is falsy.
Yeah.
For example, if you want to check that value should not be there. If you want to check
Yeah.
that list, that value should not be there. For example, if you want to do
Yeah.
same thing,
Yeah.
I will make it here. What is the country you want to see? Kenya. Kenya is not there, right?
Yeah.
So for that, I can
Yeah.
make to be falsy. So
Yeah.
always come and check this documentation. For example, sometimes in the latest versions that value could be removed or something. So always it will be problem. I'm just checking.
Yeah.
If it is not there, you want to check. This is the way you have to do.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. See, passed. Both are passed because India is there to be truth is passed. Kenya is not there
Yeah.
to be falsy is also passed. Got
Yeah.
it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Got it.
Now the another thing is the same thing. If you want to check in India, you want to use the with the for loop also you can do using the for loop.
Yeah.
Using the for loop, I will just close this. Using the for loop, using looping. For looping means first you can get all these values. Okay. So we are getting all these values in this. In this, we're already getting all these values. Let's try this way. But this dollar also should work. Why it is not working? We'll try. If it is not, this is not working. And let's status is equal false and all. Okay. Constant await. This is the one I'm commenting. I'm going to comment. These are the codes. Otherwise, it will fail.
Yeah.
Constant content is equal to options dot split of n. Filter. No, not this one. I don't want this way. I want to do the for loop. Okay. For constant value of content dot split of n. Okay. Like this you can do. For example, this is the content. In this content, all the values are coming, right? All the countries. So content dot split of n
Yeah.
because these are coming with the different lines. That is why split of n. With the split of n, we are splitting. We are splitting with the n means
Yeah.
next line. So then
Yeah.
each value will come to this value. The value dot trim.
Yeah.
The trim is if there is a space. Here
Yeah.
you see it is a space. Trim is equal to
Yeah.
India. If you want to check if India is there or not, then you can write
Yeah.
console.log India is present in the drop down and break. You have to break the loop also. You remember, na? We discussed the for loop at
Yeah.
the time. We discussed for loop. So now this one we will try to
Yeah.
run. This one we will try to run. Where is that? Where is that button? 1 second. Why this is a red color? Why this is red color? Declaration, something is saying. What is this? What we copied? We just commented these assertions, and this bracket is there, and this is there. Why this error came?